Hello students, so uh, let us share our concept for standard form or scientific form of a decimal number for class 8 actually. So in class 7 also some simple questions of writing the given decimal number in standard form it is given. So for both the classes it will cover that how decimal numbers given can be written in scientific form or standard form. The rule is what decimal numbers we have been given is actually it is in the form you may say it is in ordinary form. Mathematically it is called usual form. So usual form of decimal numbers are given here and we have to write them in scientific form or in a standard form. So let us see what is the rule of writing this. So student, here the rule says that you put your decimal from left after one non-zero digit. That is, after one digit the decimal will be there in the standard form, but that digit should be non-zero other than 0, and then you will write the remaining digits of the given number and then you multiply it by 10 to the power which is which should be there, which would be suitable for that question. So multiply by 10 to the power the required power. So it will be more clear if you take example. So this is the rule in writing the decimal number in standard form, that after one non-zero digit we have to put the decimal and then we have to write the remaining digits, and finally we multiply this by 10 to the power some power, 10 to the some power. So let us see taking example. So here one example we have that given number is 1234.567. It is in usual form here. Now we want to change it in standard form. So it will be point should be from left side after one digit. So we have put here 1 point and we have written the remaining digits 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 10 to the power. This is important that which power will be there. So you see you have put after one digit, that is after 1, and decimal is originally uh, 1 2 3 place right, in comparison to our placing of decimal. Since we are going right in the question, so it is positive power. So it will be 1.23456 into 10 to the power 3. Now take the another example which is in usual form. It is given that 56789.12. It is in ordinary form or usual form. In standard form it will be, the point will come after 5. So we have written 5.678912 remaining digits, and then we have multiplied it by 10. Now for the power we again go to the question that we have put after 5, and in question the decimal is from our placing decimal. If we count then we are going right 1 2 3 4. So for right positive power, so 4 places we have gone, so that is why 10 to the power 4. Now take another question. I hope that it is clear now. Uh, in this question, in example C, it is in usual form given that 0.0000 means 6 times 0, 1, 2, 3. This is usual form. Now you have already listened that point should be after one non-zero digit, but this time point is in the question after a zero digit, so it should be after a non-zero digit, so point should come after 1, so it will be 1.23. And since zeros are now in the left, having no need to write, so it will be 1.23, then it should be multiplied by 10 as per rule. Now so far power is, you see where you have put we have put after 1 we have put the decimal. Now we count that from our placing of point, where in the question the point is given and after how many places, so we will count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is 7 places we are going left. For this here left going is minus power, so it is 10 to the power minus 7. Okay, so one thing more here to note that when the minus power comes, when you will see that question is in the form of 0.00 something like, means when your question contains 0, this is one technique, not the rule. This is one technique that to just recall that minus power comes when the number is in containing zeros and it is 0 point something. Okay, now next we will learn to change the given standard form in usual form. So for this here we take the number given in standard form. This is the recognition of form that you see number is written after one digit, the decimal is, and it is multiplied by 10 having some power. Now one, so this example already we have taken. We will talk this after one more example. So we take one more example is here in for writing the standard form when the number is given usual form. So it is here 2.57 it is given and it is in usual form. Now we want to write this in standard form. So you know, in standard form after one non-zero digit the point should be, and it is actually in that style it is already given that after one digit non-zero digit the point is. So in question it is also in standard form. Then we will do nothing here in the changing of decimal place of decimal, but only we will to make it in scientific form or standard form, we will multiply by 10. And since the point we are not moving either in left or right in any direction, so that's why point it is multiplied by 10 to the power 0. 0 means no movement either in right side or in left side, so that's why it is having 10 to the power 0. And one thing more to note, that when the number is already given in usual form but having the place of decimal like standard form, then there will be into 10 to the power 0, because there is no change in the number regarding the place of decimal. That's why it has multiplied, it has been multiplied by 10 to the power 0. Now we will come to what we were talking before a few minutes, that we will now learn how standard form numbers given may be written in the usual form. Means we are going to change from standard form to ordinary form, that is usual form. Here you see I was talking about the recognition, that what is the recognition, what is the technique of recognizing that which form is given. You see here the question is given after one non-zero digit decimal is, another trick to recognize is it is multiplied by 10 having some power. So actually it is in given in standard form. Now instruction is there to write the given number in usual form. So for that, in usual form there is no this part, that is 10 to the power some power. So this should not be in usual form. So it will be removed. When this is removed, you just recall only, you see the power given, it is 9. It means and it is positive 9, so plus 9 power is there. And for plus, where we move in right side. So this decimal in usual form will go after 9 place. So from this place the decimal will shift after 9 place right. So we will place it now. So counting 1 2, and only 2 digits are in the right, so then we put 70 to make it 9 places, and then the decimal will be, and since after decimal there is no digit, so we have put 10. In this way it comes in usual form. Now next example is 1.23 into 10 to the power minus 5. It is given again in standard form, and we have to bring it in usual form. So you see here this part is to be removed to make it in usual form. So we see the power, that is minus 5, and since power is in minus, so decimal should move 5 places left from the present place. So if we go 5 places left, then we have only one digit, so it needs 4 extra 0. So it means 4 zeros are needed here, then decimal will be, that's why we have put here and after decimal again there is no digit, so we have given 0, and then we have put the decimal. Now you count that if you see the place of decimal, then it is 5 places left in comparison to the position of decimal in the question. So this now it is in the usual form. So hope that you are able to now convert these two form into each other. Now we will see a little more about writing the given number, usual form number, in expanding form, in a power way, that is in exponential way. So the number is first one is 78935. Here what is to do in expanding form writing, we will take the first digit, then we will multiply by 10, and then we will count the digit leaving the digit taken. Means we will not count this 7 because we have 7, we have taken the 7. So now after 7 there are 4 digit, it means 7 should be multiplied by 10 to the power 4. Then we write plus, and then we take the second digit, which is 8. Now after 8 there are 3 digits, so 8 will be multiplied by 10 to the power 3, and similarly again there will be plus. Now take the another digit 9, and after 9, since 2 digits, so 9 should be multiplied by 10 to the power square. Plus similarly if you go, then it is plus 3 into 10 to the power 1, and then last is plus 5 into, since after 5 there is no digit, so 5 should be multiplied by 10 to the power 0. In this way we can expand the given number. Similarly we take the another example, which is 5670834. So on writing you have already learnt. Now you will write what, 5 into 10 to the power, after 5 you count 6 digits, so 5 into 10 to the power 6, plus take the another digit 6, then multiply 10 to the power 5, plus then take the another digit, which is 7, so 7 multiplied by 10 to the power 4, plus 0 multiplied by 10 to the power 3, plus 8 multiplied by 10 to the power 2, plus 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 1, plus 4 into multiplied by 10 to the power 0. So in this way it is expanded form. Now we will write from the given expanded form the usual form number. So it is very easy, just you multiply that. The given question is 5 into 10 to the power 4 plus 0 into 10 to the power 3 plus 2 into 10 to the power 2 in plus 7 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. So it is given in expanded form. Now we have to write the corresponding usual form number. So what we will do, take the first term 5 into when you multiply 10 to the power 4, you know it will be 1 followed 40, and multiplying it 5 by 5 we will get 5 and then 40 plus, when you take the second term, since it is 0 into something, so finally it will be 0. Now take the third term, which is 2 into 10 square. You know 10 square is 100, so 100 when multiplied by 2 it is 200. Similarly for the next term, 7 into 10 to the power 1 it is 70, and for last term plus 5 into 10 to the power 0, you know, you have seen, you have learnt in the law of exponent that any number is having 0 power 1. So 5 into 1 it is 5. Now you add these, you will get the corresponding usual form number 50275. One more example we have taken to make it clear. The example is 6 into 10 to the power 6 plus 4 into 10 to the power 4 plus 8 into 10 square plus 7 into 10 power 0. It is given in expanded form. Now its usual form, you know, 6 into 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 when multiplied by 6, it will give you 6 followed 60, that is 6 0 0 0 0 0 0 plus, when you take the second term, then it is 4 into 10 to the power 4, so it will be 4 followed 4 zeros. Yeah, that is 4 0 0 0 0 plus 8 into 10 square, that is clear, 800, because 10 square is 100 into 8, that is 800 plus 7 into 10 power 0, which is 7. Now on adding you get 6040807. So in this way, from expanded form you can write usual form, and from usual form you can write expanded form. So this is all about you. Now will fully able to solve the exercise related to this concept, that is changing usual form decimal into standard form, and vice versa, again changing usual form number in expanded form, and vice versa. So thanks student watching this video. So subscribe it, like it, and share you with your friends. So we will meet again in the next video. Till then, goodbye.